Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a custom background in Microsoft Edge. So for you to do that, to set your custom background in Microsoft Edge, you have to click on this gear button, then make sure you turn on the background option, turn it on. Once turning on, then you can simply edit the background here. Click on it, then you can pick from any of these background of your choice. Let's say I'm gonna pick this. I'm gonna pick this particular one. This one. I'll pick it, then apply. So that's it. If I find this helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.